The new Women and Child Welfare Minister Maneka Gandhi has said that juveniles who commit rapes should be tried as adult offenders. The Supreme Court has also asked for a revisit of the Juvenile Justice Act.
What you really need is effective law and order.
Right.
What you are giving instead is harsh laws. The amendments to the rape law right now are scary. A 16-year-old boy on that one incident is likely to have his entire life at stake. Are you comfortable with that? I am not. Let it remain where it is because it's 18. I think that is a reasonable age. Because you bring it down to 16, then there is some 15-year-old who does something similar. How far down the corridor are you going to go?
There is no value system as such that what we are talking about. Unless until we are giving them that kind of facility, and then how do you expect them to behave in a rational way? It's not that we are thinking in terms of like what we are talking about, the innocence, that principle of innocence, that what we are talking about. World over they say that 18 years, they cannot plot, they cannot, but there are rare cases that you are talking Nirbhaya cases. Where adults were there and he was one of them basically. Yes. So he was guided by the adults also. If you want to cure them, this is not going to help. In a sense, even if they're 14, 15, 16, 17 or 18 you are talking about, cure is not going to help.
Do we want a nation of teenage children who will be locked up for the majority of their lives? I don't think that's the right way to go.
We are all saying that any form of crime is not justified, cannot be. We have to work towards crime prevention as well as juvenile justice, and the two are possible. They can be married.
Bringing juveniles into treating juveniles as an adult in any case, be it a rape case or any case, is inhuman.
Though it is a big crime, but still in Pakistan, juveniles do have, by law, they do have a kind of, they are not treated as adults.
Not only punishing those children, but you end up punishing whole families, mothers,
Right.
sisters, so many things.
Rapes by juveniles increased 300 from 2010 to 11.
53% of children in India is sexually abused.
By people they know and trust.
It's like every second child we are talking about. So what kind of nation we are talking about?
Just because in one rape there or two there were juveniles involved, it is no case for criminalizing a lot of children. You will end up causing much more misery. At the end of it, it comes down to the kind of society and country you are. Are you comfortable hanging teenagers? Because that would be a logical consequence one day.